This is Jay Baumann from onlineforexanalysis.com. I'm doing a market update for the 5th of January 2012. I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a good start to the new year. So let's get straight to it. I want to do a segment over the US dollar, the euro, and also the Australian dollar. So what we have here in front of us is the US dollar. Now it's butting up against a monthly resistant line here. And what I seem to think that it will bust through that and get to our target of the 81.83. Now on the weekly, it's giving me good confirmation on this flag, which is a pennant flag, giving me the 82.83 mark, and also this wedge, which is also giving me the same target. So yes, we might have a little bit of consolidation, but going on the weekly, we will be getting to this target here. And what does that mean? Well, that means the reverse in the euro. Now, let me just go to the daily on the US dollar. Now, you can't really see much that's telling me, okay, we're going higher or we're going lower, except that we do have support here, roughly at the 79.60 mark. You know, it looks like it's respecting that, but nevertheless, we do have a monthly scenario here that is telling us, look, this month is sort of the testing month. This is the monthly graph again. This is the testing month. Will it, you know, will it be subdued by this resistant line here, or will it break through and follow on through with the weekly and go to the 82.83 mark? Now let's go to the euro. Now with the euro, the monthly is not really telling me much, but with the weekly, I've got a horn pattern, and it's come down to the lower point of the horn on the weekly, but I do have some interesting conclusions here, is that there is a bear flag. And this is a perfect bear flag. I mean, you can't really get any better. With a nice break passing through the confirmation line here at the 132 mark, giving me a target of the 125, 124, right? Now, and also a further downwards target of the 122, 121. Now that is pretty much, you know, June 2010 levels here. So with all the things going on in the euro, don't be mistaken that this is definitely a possibility here, which would also sort of coincide with the the US dollar getting stronger. Now let's have a look. This is the daily euro. Not much really to say here except that it is in its channel lines, and it is working very, very well in between these channel lines. It's respecting the upwards and downwards channel. So the downwards next stop is the 126 quote 125 mark, which the weekly target is giving us. So that's very interesting to see. Now also in the Eurozone, I know for a fact that the Spain is the fourth biggest euro contributor, and it has to refinance its debt, and we're basically seeing that there's bonds that are just being sold off, and the bond yields are getting higher, and it could even reach to the 7% by the time they need to refinance very shortly. So that's quite high, and we've already seen that with the Italian sector on the 10-year treasury notes that are going for, you know, sub 7%. That's a lot. So nevertheless, let's go to the Australian quickly. Now the Australian on a monthly, we've still got this massive down target here of the 82 mark, right? That's a pretty far-fetched mark. On the weekly, we've still got a target of the 104 to 105 breakthrough, and on the daily here, we've got two targets that are basically from here to the break, 104 mark, and from this bull flag to the 104 mark. So we could get a little bit more height.